Xiaomi Gaming Monitor G25i 2026 240Hz Full HD Gaming Monitor Review. The Xiaomi Gaming Monitor G25i 2026 is a new gaming display designed for players who prioritize speed, responsiveness, and smooth motion. With a **24.5-inch Fast IPS panel, Full HD resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and 1 millisecond GDG response time ***, Xiaomi is targeting competitive gamers who want high frame rates without moving to a more expensive 144p or 4K setup. The monitor also brings *** display, DR400 AMD FreeSync Premium, wide color coverage, and gaming-focused features ***, making it more versatile than a basic esports monitor. Xiaomi Gaming Monitor G25i 2026 Specifications. The G25i 2026 combines a relatively compact screen with specifications aimed at high-speed gaming. It features a **24.5-inch Fast IPS display with a **1920x1080 Full HD resolution ***. The biggest highlight is its *** native 240Hz refresh rate ***, which allows compatible PCs to deliver extremely smooth gameplay. The monitor has a claimed 1 millisecond GTG response time ***, while Xiaomi also uses dynamic OD technology to improve pixel response performance. Brightness is rated at **400 nits with a **1000:1 contrast ratio *** and 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angles. For color, the display supports *** 100% sRGB and 93% DCI-P3 coverage *** with 8-bit color depth. Xiaomi also lists *** display HDR 400 certification ***, giving the monitor additional capabilities for HDR-compatible games and movies. 240Hz refresh rate for competitive gaming. The main reason to consider the Xiaomi Gaming Monitor G25i 2026 is its 240Hz refresh rate ***. Compared with traditional 60Hz or 75Hz monitors, 240Hz can provide significantly smoother motion and faster visual feedback when a gaming PC can produce sufficiently high frame rates. This is particularly useful in competitive games such as first-person shooters, racing titles, and other fast-paced multiplayer games. A 24.5-inch Full HD display is also a practical combination for esports because it allows many gaming PCs to reach high frame rates without the graphics processing requirements of 144p or 4K. The 1 millisecond GTG response time ** further complements the high refresh rate by helping reduce visible ghosting and motion blur during rapid movements. Fast IPS panel and image quality. Xiaomi uses a ** Fast IPS panel ***, giving the G25i 2026 a balance between gaming speed and image quality. IPS technology generally provides better viewing angles and color reproduction than traditional TN panels, making the monitor suitable for everyday tasks in addition to gaming. The Full HD resolution may seem modest compared with modern 144p and 4K gaming monitors, but it makes sense for the monitor's target audience. Competitive gamers often prioritize frame rate and responsiveness over maximum pixel density. The ** 400 nit brightness ** and DISPLA YHDR400 support also give the monitor an advantage over basic gaming displays. However, users should not expect the same HDR performance offered by premium OLED or mini-LED monitors. AMD FreeSync Premium. The G25i 2026 supports *** AIM Premium ***, an important feature for smooth gaming. Adaptive synchronization allows the monitor's refresh behavior to work with the graphics card's frame rate, helping reduce screen tearing and stuttering. When frame rates fluctuate during gameplay, FreeSync can make the experience appear smoother. Combined with the 240Hz refresh rate, This makes the monitor well suited to players who want responsive gameplay without distracting tearing. Gaming-focused features. Xiaomi has included several features specifically designed for gamers. Dark Field Enhancement Pro is intended to improve visibility in dark areas, potentially helping players identify opponents hiding in shadows. The monitor also features a dynamic crosshair function with multiple modes. This can be useful in games where an on-screen aiming point provides an advantage. Another feature is Night Vision which is designed to make details in darker scenes easier to see. These features may not appeal to every player, but they demonstrate Xiaomi's focus on competitive gaming. Connectivity and design. For connectivity, the Xiaomi Gaming Monitor G25i 2026 includes DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0, an audio port, and ADC power connection ***. DisplayPort is particularly useful for gaming PCs because it provides a straightforward connection for taking advantage of the monitor's high refresh rate. The monitor has a relatively compact design and narrow bezels on three sides, giving it a modern appearance. Its stand supports *** tilt adjustment from approximately -5 to +15 ***, while *** is 75mm VESA support ** allows users to mount it on a compatible monitor arm or wall mount. The lightweight construction also makes the G25i 2026 easier to integrate into smaller gaming desks. Its 24.5-inch size can be especially attractive for players who prefer keeping the entire display within their central field of view during competitive matches. Eye comfort. For users who spend several hours gaming or working in front of a display, Xiaomi includes hardware-level low blue light technology. The monitor has TÜV Rheinland certification and is designed to reduce short wavelength blue light while maintaining more natural-looking colors. This makes the G25i 2026 suitable not only for gaming but also for general productivity, browsing, and multimedia consumption. Its wide viewing angles and color coverage can also make everyday applications, streaming video, and casual photo editing more enjoyable. Who should buy the Xiaomi G25i 2026? The G25i 2026 is best suited to ** competitive PC gamers, esports players, and users upgrading from a 60Hz or 144Hz display ***. It is particularly attractive if your computer can consistently produce high frame rates in Full HD. On the other hand, users who primarily play cinematic single-player games or perform professional creative work may prefer a larger 144p 4K OLED or mini LED monitor with greater pixel density and contrast. Final verdict: the *** Xiaomi Gaming Monitor G25i 2026 ** is a compelling option for gamers looking for a fast and responsive 240Hz Full HD gaming monitor ***. Its Fast IPS panel, 1 millisecond GTG response time, AMD FreeSync Premium, display HDR 400, and gaming-specific features give it a strong specification sheet. Its biggest limitation is the ** 1920x1080 resolution ***, particularly for users who want sharper 144p or 4K visuals. Nevertheless, for competitive gamers who prioritize high frame rates, low response times, and smooth motion, the ** 24.5-inch 240Hz G25i 2026 ** is a well-targeted gaming monitor that offers a strong combination of speed, features, and versatility.